Hey guys, today we will unbox the Honor 8C smartphone for you. The first phone in the world powered by the Snapdragon 632 processor. Inside the box you get the phone, cover, screen protector, adapter, USB cable and the SIM ejector tool. The dual SIM Honor 8C is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. At the back, the smartphone has a vertically stacked AI-capable 13 plus 2 megapixel dual camera setup, whereas the front has a 8 megapixel selfie camera. The cameras on the phone automatically detect different objects in the photos and optimizes setting accordingly. It claims to recognize 500 scenarios in 22 categories. The back of the smartphone has a metal finish and houses the fingerprint sensor. The color we have with us is the Aurora Blue option. Speaking of the specifications, the phone has a 6.26-inch display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. It is the first phone in the world to be powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 632 processor. The phone also sports 4 GB of RAM. It has 64 GB of built-in storage, expandable via a microSD card. The phone has a notch on the display, and if you like, you can hide it from the settings of the smartphone. The case that comes in the box is transparent and fits snug on the smartphone. The Honor 8C has a micro USB port at the bottom along with the speaker grill. The endangered headphones jack rests on the top of the device. The right of the device has the power button along with the volume rocker. One of the highlights of the smartphone is that it is the first phone in its segment to receive a TUV blue light certification. That was an unboxing and quick look at the Honor 8C smartphone.